Welcome back to Roland Tutoring. If this is your first time joining us, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Today we are looking at algebra problems, but we do complete a variety of problems from engineering to chemistry and everything in between. If you would like to have your problem solved on the channel or would like to inquire about tutoring, please contact us via one of the methods listed in the video description. Today we are looking at solving a system of equations. We'll just jump right in by copying down our equations here of negative 4x minus 3y equals negative 27. And our second equation is negative 4x plus 5y equals 13. So our first step is we'll want to get it to either x's or y's. In this case, since our x's have similar coefficients, it would be easiest to get rid of the x's versus these we would have to multiply. So we'll go ahead and subtract the second equation because we will want this to get to 0. So we get negative 4x minus 4x. So if you go negative 4x minus a negative 4x, it's kind of like saying plus 4x, which gives us 0. And then we get negative 3y minus 5y, so we get minus 8y. Because keep in mind, if you are taking a negative minus a number, it gets more negative. So you can keep it, think of a number line of if this is 0 and we start with negative 3, we have to subtract by going this way. Negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, negative 8. So just keep that in mind that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Negative subtraction can really throw off a lot of people. But we'll keep going with this of negative 27 minus 13. Again, we have negative 27 minus 13, which would give us negative 40. So keep in mind this number line again that we're going more negative. That leaves us negative 8y equals negative 40. So we get y equals negative 40 over negative 8, which gives us 5. So y equals 5. Not done yet though. We need to plug this back in to solve for x. We can pull out our negative 4x minus 3y equals negative 27. We'll plug in our number of negative 4x minus 3 times 5 equals negative 27. And once we do that, we can keep going. Get negative 4x minus 15 equals negative 27. And once we've done that, I'll solve for our x. Negative 4x equals negative 27 plus 15. And this whole thing will be equal to negative 12. So then we get negative 4x equals negative 12, or x equals 3. So those are our two answers. In point form, we'd have 3, 5 as our final answer. Thank you again for joining us today. If you haven't already, please hit the thumbs up to leave us a like. Also, subscribe if you haven't already. If you would like to inquire about tutoring or have your problem solved on the channel, be sure to contact us via one of the methods listed in the video description. Thank you and have a wonderful day.